kind of looks around as he's flying. And sometimes when he goes to land, he'll actually do a whole circle as he's looking at the glove with his one good eye. Alright, now you...
Go! Cool! Alright.
You having fun or you're tired?
She's been running quite a bit. Let it go out more. Let it go out more. Oh, oh no!